Hello traders out there. I am here to share with you some of the strategies that I've been implementing that enabled me to raise a small figure into a 3-digit figure by implementing simple strategies which I want to believe that you'll be in a position to grasp them. You might be a seasoned trader or a newbie. You can actually benefit from some of the strategies that I've been using. So I think the first thing is for you to have a good broker. You've got to choose a good broker with the favorable terms that enables you to actually meet your goal, since the main essence of forex trading is for you to maximize profits and reduce losses. So myself, I do trade on Deriv. I choose Deriv because Deriv has proven to me to be a very good broker. So you can actually hit the commentary section of my YouTube channel if you want to know why I chose Deriv. So let us not waste time. Let us jump into the main goal of this video to show you how I managed to raise a very small figure into more than 10,000% profit. So there we go. The first thing is for you to analyze the movement of your candlesticks. Remember that everyday candlesticks do form certain shapes which are visible. So you simply apply the law of gravity, the law of motion, whereby you simply go with the trend which is being formed by candlesticks. So if we are to see the candlesticks that are being shown on the screen there, you can actually see certain shapes which are being formed by candlesticks. So let me take my analytical tools here. So we can produce our line of support there. That's our line of support, right? We can also have our line of resistance on top there. So yeah, that's our line of resistance. So as you can see, between those lines, you can actually see that there are certain shapes which have been formed by candlesticks as they are moving on a daily basis. So there we are. So let us look closely within those candlesticks, within those two lines, like the line of resistance and the line of support. You can actually see that there has been some movement down and up within those two lines, that is buy and sell. So I've been simply following these trends throughout my trades that enabled me to make profits. So for instance, you can place your trade here. That is where you can place your trade, putting a buy. So the first thing is for you to be patient. Forex trading requires patience. Do not jump into placing trades without proper analysis. So if you analyze it properly, you're going to see that the formation of the first three patterns will enable you to place your profitable trade. So you wait for the formation of the first pattern, which is a downtrend there. Then you also wait for the formation of a second trend, which is the uptrend there. Then you can place your your buy starting at this point going upwards, following that trend. So that is how I was doing my my trading. Then you can as well place a sell going down there, right, following the trend. Then I also placed a buy starting at this point going up, following the trend. Then a sell following the trend going down there, then a buy going up there. So basically, I think that is very clear. You can actually see how I managed to raise a very small figure into a good amount. I think we all want money. We all want money. We do not want to lose money unnecessarily. So like I said, patience is the key. Patience is the key, as well as lot size. Do not place a very big lot size if you have got a very small capital. You grow your capital bit by bit, You're raising your lot size depending upon the capital that will be having in your account. So the next trade which I also placed was through analysis. So this is what we call technical analysis. There is also fundamental analysis which we should not undermine, or which we should not ignore. So here we are. I also looked at my trade, the candlesticks, how they were moving, and what patterns are being formed. So there we are. So if you look at this graph there, you can actually see that there are certain shapes which are very visible, which are being formed by the candlesticks there. So there we are. I had to draw my line of support and my line of resistance to enable me to see shapes being formed by candlesticks. So there we are. That's a trend which is more of moving in the horizontal direction. So there we are. If you are to analyze that that pattern, you shall see that the line of resistance and support have been touched here and there by what? By the pattern of the moving candlesticks. So there we are. You simply follow the movement of your what? Of your candlesticks. So for instance, I had to place my trade starting at this point, and I had to put a sell going downwards to this point. Then I'd also put a buy following the movement. Then I had to put a stop there, since there was a sell which was going downwards, so I had to put a stop there and took my profits. I also placed a buy at this point, anticipating it to hit the line of resistance there, but it failed, and I had to reap my profits somewhere there. So all these were profits which I actually generated. Then I also placed a sell starting from this point, going downwards there up to this point. Then I placed a buy going up. All these profits, I generated all these profits. That was actually enabling me to maximize my returns from my little investment. So there you are. This trading strategy actually takes time. It doesn't go over an hour or so. You've got to be patient. It goes over a day, 2 days, 1 week, but maximum, I think by 1 week you would have actually seen the rewards from your strategies. So I've been using several strategies throughout my trades that enabled me to actually capitalize on the formation of certain shapes by candlesticks. So there we are. For instance, I actually placed a trade after analyzing my graph like this. As you can see there, there has been the formation of a downtrend there, but within the downtrend, certain shapes were being formed, which I actually took advantage of. Right, so there we are. That was a downtrend. So what I did was to simply look inside the downtrend and see which shapes were being formed. Then I had to see that the candlesticks were forming some W's on their way down. So you have got to be patient enough and wait for the formation of at least two patterns. It might be in an uptrend or a downtrend. For instance, this was the first pattern going up. That was a buy. Then you've got to wait also for a sell, then also a buy. Wait, then you can place your trade at this point. You can place your sell, expecting the price to go down up to this point. So that is what I did. And then soon after hitting the line of resistance of support there, I'd also place a buy up to this point, then a sell up to this point. So I think that is very simple. It's a simple strategy that you can use, which also enabled me to maximize on my returns. So there we are. As you can see that if your pattern surpasses the line of either resistance or support, that simply is an indicator for a reversal pattern. So as you can see here, our candlesticks had to go up over and above the line of resistance there, but that was for a short while. As it was going down there, it also touched the line of of resistance, then it did not go beyond the line of resistance. It had to reverse and go up. So that's a reversal pattern. So that is an indicator for a new trading pattern. So you've got to take note of that one so that you do not lose your capital unnecessarily. So that is what I did. As soon as I saw that there has been a reversal trading pattern, I had to take advantage of that one, and I had to place a buy going in the upward direction. That is here. So I also reaped profits throughout this uptrend, taking note of shapes being formed within that new trading pattern. So I had to take advantage of those patterns being formed within the line of resistance and line of support. So these are some of the strategies that I've been using throughout my trades. If you've got any questions, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss upcoming videos, as well as post your comments in the commentary section, such that I know where I have got to adjust or to share more views as far as my trading strategies are or is concerned. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to actually open your own trading account if you do not have one. Myself, I trade on Deriv, like I said earlier on, so you can create your own Deriv trading account and enjoy these trading strategies on volatility indices, which is offered by Deriv. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.